Welcome to another episode of the Basscast. Basscast. Today it's gonna be Somaliland versus Senegal. A democratic battle. We'll see who's the most democratic, who's the better democracy. So, democracy comes from the words demos, which mean to rule, and krasi, which mean people, or kratos, people, something like that. Demos, people, kratos, rule. So, democracy is ruled by the people, but in majority. So today we'll see which of these two countries, Senegal, Somaliland, more ruled by the people, by, well, my standards and these standards, whatever. If you don't believe me, you can believe me if you don't. So the first section of this battle is gonna be elections. Now, it's a little article about the upcoming 2021 elections in Somaliland. So the upcoming 2021 elections will be peaceful, apparently, without major incident meeting with the local and international standards. Somalilanders will turn out votes in May 31st of this year, selecting their candidates in the House of Representatives and the local council, a significant step towards Somaliland by the government. If the elections are conducted peacefully, well, Somaliland will maybe get to be a country. Now, in Senegal, there's supposed to be elections in 2021. It will probably not be peaceful if they happen, and they will probably not happen because they've been reported for a third time, not just one, not just two, twice, three times. Why? Just because the government don't give a fuck. They're supposed to do local elections since 2014, but first time they were like, we don't really want to do it. The second time they were like, it's COVID, and the third time they were like, guys, it's still COVID, so we can't really do it. So apparently the local elections will be held this January 31st, 2022, so time will tell. Second round, how many presidents they have and how many terms each of the presidents have. So Somaliland has had 4 presidents since 1991. Each of them have done one term and one term only. Now in Senegal has been independent since 1960. Somaliland has been independent since 1993. So like a 33-year-old gap. And Senegal has had 5 presidents. So one more than Somaliland with 30 more years of independence. So each president in Somaliland has done more than one term. It's like, you take one and you get one for free. Third, how much do the government work for the people? So lately, I'm just going to take an example, just one article to show you an example of difference between Senegal and Somaliland. Somaliland has lifted its ban on telecommunication tower installations because they have banned all telecommunication towers from companies make. Like any company that's not from Somaliland cannot have a telecommunication tower. But since December of last year, they have lifted the ban because now they have made sure that it is secure to have telecommunication towers. See, the government works for the people. They have made sure that it's safe and secure for the people to have telecommunication towers. So now they're like, okay, you can build your shit. If this was in Senegal, the president would have been like, you want telecommunication towers? They'd be like, yeah. He's gonna be like, are you French? He's gonna be like, yeah. He's gonna be like, okay, let's do it. And if could we have got another way, they'd be like, he's like, are you French? And they're like, no. Like, but how much are you willing to pay though? Be like, a lot. They're like, alright, let's do it then. In Senegal, the people don't really matter. It's how much cash you get, really. How much people you can get in your pocket. Last but not least, another article about Somaliland. So the Foreign Affairs Ministry of Somaliland and the government has expressed concern over the unfolding events in the neighboring country, Somalia. That's just ironic to me. Somaliland is not even recognized country, and they're throwing shade at Somalia. They're like, yo, my niggas, we not even a recognized country and we doing good. We don't have no war, our people are eating, and Somalia is farming the presidents are doing whatever the fuck. They're throwing shade. Like the Somaliland government is like, so don't y'all should take care of y'all business, and the world should take care of y'all since y'all recognize, and we don't want enough people from Somalia as refugees in our good country. Since you are a recognized country, let the people that recognize you help you now. And the government of Somalia was like, shit. Exactly that. That's what happened to the government of Somalia, man. In comparison, in Senegal, when the riots, when riots broke down and kids were getting killed by the police, and people were getting shot and people was rioting all over the country, the president was with the Mr. Elvis Shiweda, the president of Namibia, and they was just chilling, like, hey, how you doing, my man? Just chilling in the hood, all's good. Like, yo, nigga, what the fuck? Niggas is dying, and you're like shaking hands, bruh. Anyway, you tell me who you think is more democratic. Somaliland or Senegal. My vote go for Somaliland, but it's a democracy, so I'll let you vote for yourself. Oh shit. Thank you guys for watching the now episode of the Basscast. Basscast.